Right on, welcome back. Here is Papa Hotel, Bravo Hotel November, an 8-year-old Dreamliner coming in. And today was a boring day in Vegas, but when you get stuff like that right there, whoa, what a freaking hard slammer that was. It makes it all worth it. I was just driving by. But let's have a look at this again. This was a particularly hard landing. Look at that, but the landing gear bogies were doing exactly what they are designed to do in a situation like this. Let's have an even closer look. This is what I call the bogey bounce. The aft bogey hits first, and then it sends the forward bogey careening down, and then they do a back and forth dance, which dampens out the sheer force or impact of the touchdown. That's exactly what it's designed to do. I love that.
You know what? After such a long flight like that, the last thing you'd want is a hard landing.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, but it happens to the best of us. It happens to me more often than I'd like to admit, but I'm not really going to admit that. And here I try to get a shot of the cockpit to see if we can see who committed such an offense to that Dreamliner.
Kind of hard to tell. Well, that's KLM 635 Heavy. Welcome to Las Vegas.